All right, guys, we're checking out the GoPro. I haven't used it in a minute or three, so we're just gonna kind of check it out and see what's going on here. Whoa, look out! There's Shauna right there. Whoa, look out! There's my flag, proudly flying the Trump 2024 right there. Oh, wait a minute. And then we got the Trump train right there. And then we got Trump and Vance right there. Yeah, that's right. Hey, check out this fire pit Shauna's working on. Look at that. It's 10 foot. From here to here is about 10 foot across. And from here to here is about 20, 25 maybe, something like that. We paid the little neighbor boy 10 cents an hour and he huffed all these rocks over here one at a time in a wagon. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, we're gonna check it out right here. And then I'm going to show you what's up, boys and girls. There's Shauna.